Welcome again, ladies and gentlemen, to this YouTube video. I'm Sanford Khan, economic forecaster and author. Title of this video is How Do All Inflations End? Like we're having in the United States, excuse me, and in other parts of the world too, especially in the more advanced economies. All inflations end in deflation and hard times. Why? Remember in some of my other videos and also my writings, I said, all bubbles burst. There are no exceptions throughout history. Inflation is a result of a bubble, a massive bubble, an expansion of money and credit, cheap money and credit, huge expansion, especially when that expansion exceeds the supply of goods and services that people could use the credit to buy. The price goes up, price of goods and services go up. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. It's simple logic. Unfortunately, politicians don't believe in logic. All inflations end. Why? Because eventually the central bankers, U.S. Fed in this case, have to raise interest rates and reduce the supply of money and credit. Just credit. Money is credit. Reduce the supply of credit and raise the cost. That's the pendulum swings now back in the other direction. What do you think is going to happen to the bubble? The inflationary bubble. It bursts. All bubbles burst. That means the prices of goods, commodities, assets, stocks, real estate, commodities go down. Some go down faster than others, but they go down. You got to understand what happens when, let's take the stock market or real estate. Let's just look at the stock market. When stocks decrease in value, in a way you're destroying credit. In a manner of speaking, you're destroying credit. That means the money supply is shrinking. That by itself is deflationary. So how do inflations end? Throughout history, they end in deflation and hard times. The way to protect yourself is to be liquid. And if you're in business, remember, you focus on one thing. I could have mentioned this in one of my other videos. You focus on building your free cash flow. You will survive, you will prosper, and when the pendulum goes up, or the economic pendulum swings up, you'll be able to grab market share. I appreciate if you do something for me. Could you subscribe to my channel? I appreciate it very much, and I shall see you again. Bye now.